Hello and welcome to this Ubuntu Geeks tutorial. I'm YouGeek1 and today we're going to take a look at how to install Skyrim. We're gonna install some software to do this, so let's get started. First we're gonna open up the terminal, and then we're gonna type in sudo apt-get install wine. I will have all the commands in the description box as usual. Type in your password and Y for yes, and it's gonna install. It will take some time, so I'm gonna pause the video here. And so when that's finished, we're gonna go and let's see here, I'm gonna open up the Firefox, your web browser, and you're gonna go to the, we're gonna type in Skyrim Wine HQ, and we're gonna go for the link here. Not that one, let's see here. Here it is. On Steam, you're gonna have a installation guide here, and to install it you have to type in this command. I will have the link to the website and the command in the description box, and you just paste it in your terminal and press enter. And then I'm gonna install the Vcrun on winetricks to do this, and yeah, and this will take some time, so I'm gonna pause the video here again. And now when this pop up, we're gonna just go next on this, click next, and I have read the license terms and install, and this will also take a while, so I'm gonna pause here, or it won't. Finish here, and it will finish up the installation, some DLL files, and there you go. And now we have all the software we need. Now we can go and close this one down, and you're gonna open up, if you have it on Steam, you're gonna download and install it on Steam, but if you have the CD, you can just go here and go onto your CD and right click on the setup here and open with Wine. So just click install here, and I accept the license agreement and install, and it will install Steam for you. So I accept and install, and it's gonna update Steam, and this might take a while, so I'm gonna pause here. Okay, when that's done, we're gonna go and click install here. When I will say, if you don't have Steam installed, you can check out my video on how to install it, or go to their website Steam and just download it on the website and right click and run with Wine. Wine will install it for you, so it's no problem. So that's done, and when you have installed, either you download it or did as I and install it by CD. It's gonna pop up if you want to install it, and you're gonna go next, and it's gonna go and install it and either download it if you're gonna download, or install it from the CD. So yeah, that will take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video here again. Okay, when that's finished, we're gonna go and install oh wait, I'm sorry, I'm gonna say this: if you have an installation and it doesn't work for you, you can go and, because now I'm gonna click play, it's gonna say that it installs DirectX and one more software, and then Vcrun that we installed earlier. And on some computers, my friend had this problem. It says that it just loads and loads and loads and trying to install it. But well, if that happens, you can go and type in your terminal, and just go for the that we installed earlier, the Vcrun, and in meantime, while it lags and it will get an error, you try to install it, and it's gonna work even if you have it installed, and you kind of trick it, I think. So that's my tip if you have that problem. I think one more thing is you're gonna go to your let's say here, home folder, and if you have and you have to maximize this and go view and show your hidden files and go to your wine and your drive, program files, and your Steam, and go to your games and then your Skyrim game and delete your video file on the Skyrim folder, and this will delete the intro version. And I will see if I had that problem. It says here Skyrim /data/video, and just remove it. And one more thing, we're gonna change your let's go here and type wine and configure wine, and remember to change this to Windows 7 and click apply and open. And let's try it out. So I'm gonna click play here, and it's gonna install DirectX and then some other. And let's see if it hangs on the third one here. I believe it's the third one. No, just a second. Yeah, here, the third one. Let's see if it jumps through it. Let's see here. And there we go. So it's detecting my hardware, and I have ultra high quality on my computer. So we're gonna go for options. I'm gonna change to window mode. That's kinda buggy. Let's see here. I think that will be enough. And I'm gonna stop my script in the background so it doesn't bug. Cancel that. And
okay, we're back. I apologize. My other computer that I did a tutorial on, it didn't work because the ATA drivers doesn't work. I believe because it's the new ATA drivers that just doesn't work with Skyrim on Linux. So, but I got it to work a bit properly. I had to copy and paste the save file from other installation on this computer, and I could do it on that, but I was locked in full screen mode. I couldn't use window mode, so I couldn't record. So I'm gonna use my old computer to do this, so it will lag pretty much here, but I'm gonna show you that it works. So I'm gonna start the game and let's see how it works. If you have any questions about anything on the installation, don't be afraid to ask. As I said, I don't believe the ATA doesn't work, ATA graphics card, that well. I got it to work, as I said, a bit, but it didn't work as I wanted it. So if you wanna try it on an ATA graphics card, I recommend to copy and paste a save file to your installation, because that will bypass some other problems that I have. So you just can click continue on that. So let's try this out. And I'm sorry, this is gonna be really laggy on this, because this is my really old computer, as I said. It loads really slowly here. So let's see. My mic might be bad as well. I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna try out. I just wanted to show you the game, that it works on Linux. It works, as I said, on that computer, but too many problems. So let's start this up. And the Skyrim is really fun game. I'm level 44, as you see. I have played it quite a lot. I played the whole game really much, and I really enjoyed that. If you want to dig deeper why it doesn't work that well on ATA graphics card, maybe you can help me get some information. But as I said, the NVIDIA as I'm using on this computer works much better. So if you have a NVIDIA card congrats for you. It's gonna work a bit better for you. So let's see if this loads. This loads pretty slowly because yeah, this computer is really slow. Now something's happening. Let's see here. Here we go. Yeah, it's really laggy. Here we see Patrodox or whatever his name is. Let's jump to somewhere that it isn't that much stuff. Let's go here. Yes. And yeah, it works. And if you have a newer computer and this one, it will probably work quite well, I think. I have seen other people play it and it works really well for them, so I don't believe it's a problem, except the ATA graphics cards. Let's see here. And there we go. So yeah, it works. As I said, it's an old computer, so that's why it's so extremely laggy, but it works. So yeah, it's extremely laggy. So here we go. So yeah, here's Skyrim. It works, so feel free to try it out if you have the game. I'm gonna close this one down. And as I said, don't be afraid to ask questions. I'm full of answers. And it lags and lags. There we go. Thanks for watching.